we are starting the concept of learning how to create this Google Ads. Okay, you should have an account to create this Google Ads. So now let us understand how to create an account for creating those Google Ads. Now we have understood what is the important and why you should create this video ads, your Google Ads. Now let us understand how to create this account. This is the first step for creating Google Ads. You should have an ad account. So now let us understand how to create this ads account. Okay. Firstly guys, understand one thing and remember one thing, that you should sign in into Google through your business email ID, the email ID through which you want to create those ads. So go onto your icon and then just sign in with the help of your business email ID. That is the first step you can do. You can just sign out and sign in through your business email ID. I have already signed in with the help of my business email ID. Now what can I do guys is, I'm just going to search out AdWords. Okay, search AdWords. And then you're just going to go on the first website which you can see. Can you see this first website? Just click on this first website and go through this first website only. You're just not going to go anywhere through any of the websites. No, the first link which you can see, you're going to go and click on that. Okay, now I'm going to click on this Google AdWords India. Now we will start the process of sign in. Now we need to create an account, means we are going to sign in. Okay, once you have to sign in, and other times you can just log in. Now just click on sign in. After you click on sign in, you will get different option guys. Okay, you'll get 3 different options which I'll show you right now. You're not going to do any of the options. You're not going to go through any of the options. What you need to do is, you are going to select the option of expert mode. It is just taking some time to load. Let it load. You are going to choose the option of expert mode. When you click on sign in guys, you are going to land upon this page. Okay, the page which you can see currently. You're going to land upon this page, but you're not going to choose any of the 3 options. Get more calls, get more website, get more visits. You're not going to select any of the option. Rather what you can do is, you can find the option below. Okay, you will find the option below. Let me just show you guys. You will find the option below of switch to expert mode. Okay, can you see this option, switch to expert mode? Click on this option of switch to expert mode. Then you will find this page. Okay, now what you need to do on this page is, don't select any of the option, that is sales, leads, website traffic, product, create a campaign. We are not going to do any of these. Why? Because you want to create an account first. So you are going to click upon create an account. Okay, you are going to click on this and start reaching more people. So you are going to select the option. Okay, let me again go through, revise it once more guys. Firstly, what you're going to do is, you are going to select the option of, you're going to sign in with your business email ID, then you're going to Google out AdWords, then you're going to click on sign in. Then you're not going to select any of the 3 options which you can see. You're going to click on expert mode, switch to expert mode, click on that. Then you will see different options given to you, different menus given to you. You're not going to click on that. You're going to click upon create an account. A blue line written in blue words you can see at the bottom of the menu. Then what you can do is, you will find this page. Okay, so you have to click upon submit. And now you are done with creating an account. Explore your account. When you click on explore your account, you would be landed upon the dashboard of this account. So easy it is guys to create an account. Just do these steps, follow these steps, and you would be done with creating the account for creating your Google Ads. This is itself that you need to do.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.